Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with CenturyLink. On Roam Tips today, we're taking a close look at CenturyLink, a well-known internet service provider offering a variety of plans and features tailored to different needs. Whether you're a casual internet user or a dedicated gamer, CenturyLink likely has a plan for you. They offer both DSL and fiber optic internet services, catering to a broad spectrum of users from casual browsers and streamers to those who demand top-tier performance for gaming. A major advantage of CenturyLink is their no-contract option, offering customers the flexibility to change providers without being locked into a long-term agreement, which is a common practice with many other internet providers. Furthermore, CenturyLink emphasizes its price-for-life guarantee, promising to keep your monthly rate consistent as long as you remain a customer. This provides valuable peace of mind, protecting you from unexpected price increases that can occur with other providers. Now, let's talk speed. CenturyLink's fiber service boasts impressive speeds reaching up to 940 megabits per second. This is perfect for households with numerous connected devices and multiple users. Even their DSL plans, while generally offering lower speeds, still provide sufficient bandwidth for basic web browsing and streaming. This makes them a suitable choice for those in rural areas where fiber optic service may not be readily available. However, it's crucial to remember that the availability of these plans, particularly the higher speed fiber options, can differ significantly depending on your location. Always verify the available speeds and service types in your specific area before signing up. Customer service is a crucial aspect of any internet service provider. CenturyLink has received a mixed bag of reviews regarding its customer support. While some users report positive experiences with helpful and efficient support representatives, others have encountered long wait times and unresolved technical issues. It's wise to research and consider CenturyLink's customer service reputation, especially if you anticipate needing frequent assistance. Another factor to consider is the installation process. CenturyLink offers both self-installation and professional installation options. The self-installation kit is designed to be user-friendly and typically takes less than an hour to complete, making it a convenient choice for tech-savvy customers. For those who prefer professional assistance, CenturyLink offers professional installation, though this may involve an additional fee. In conclusion, CenturyLink presents a viable internet option for a wide range of users, particularly those seeking flexible pricing and a variety of speed options. However, before making a decision, potential subscribers should thoroughly research service availability in their specific location, consider customer service feedback, and weigh the pros and cons of the installation options. By taking these steps, you can determine whether CenturyLink effectively meets your individual internet needs.